Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to Wadi Nakhr with CYR Adventures, or Change Your Routine, and now we are en route to our destination.
Can move now? Okay.
First things, he will put me in the safety sling. Safety, without safety, don't come. If he didn't tie you with this safety, don't go. With this carabiner in my harness. So I'll come like this.
You need to stand a little bit.
Yep.
When we hook it,
it is fine. Okay, one thing, never put your hand on this rope or here. Here it is a disaster, huh? You will kill yourself. If you want to hold it here.
you will cut your hand. Not
yourself in this.
Hopefully that doesn't happen to us.
Here it is a disaster, huh? You will kill yourself. Finally got out. Finished the boulder section of this climb. That was a section of huge rocks right there. And a big shout out to CYR, or Change Your Routine Adventures, for conducting this trip. I'll link them down in the description, check them out, they're really good.